Oh my gosh. Look. Look. Oh, I'm so glad I broke them now.
Howdy rock tumblers. Today we're gonna polish seashells, but these aren't just any seashells. These are actually from my dinner that I had to celebrate my husband's birthday, and I saw them and I'm like, I wonder if I can polish these. So yeah, I'm not kidding. These are actually from my dinner. So let's see if we can get them to a polish, or if it's a fail. Well, you never know. It's an experiment. Rock on, tumble on.
Now I gotta get that out of there.
Ha.
Yee. Okay, these are all cleaned up and time to tumble my dinner, my seafood dinner. Except for there's no seafood in them. Yeah, that's right. You watched me clean them up, so you know there's no meat in here anymore. That would be disgusting. We've got two different kinds of shells. We've got mussels, clams. The goal here is to get them shiny. You can see that they're pretty shiny, at least this one is. This one's got a sheen to it as well. But I would like to see what I could do if I get them a little bit smoother and then try to polish them. I have a feeling there won't be much of these left, even though they're kind of big. We'll see how they go, but these, I don't know, maybe they'll break down too. In fact, I Googled it. The Mohs scale in general for seashells is 3, so that's probably this. So I'm thinking this is what, 1 or 2? I'm not so sure. So I decided that I'm not going to start with stage 1 grit. I'm going to start with this one before the pre-polish and then the polish. We'll see how it goes. Again, this is an experiment just for the heck of it. Who else can really say that they've tumbled their dinner? So anyway, oh, the other thing is I left one out for each of each, so that we can see them at the end and see the difference. Just like with tumbling rocks, you want to put like kinds together. One tumbling barrel is going to have these and the other one is going to have that. So let's load them up. Oh, this is funny. Since these are so soft, I'm going to go light on the grit. I'm only going to put 1 tablespoon in each, even though these are harder. And then I'm going to put filler in as cushion. So I want them to get a little bit smoother, but I don't want to damage them. These are really soft, so let's put some ceramic in here. And get these filled up really good. Add some of these beads. All right, so I'm gonna put the water in here up to the usual, like that. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! See you in 3 days. Woo! Time to check the shells. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, look at that. Probably not enough room to move around. Oh, good grief. Oh well. Sure enough. Do the next one. Okay, these will be the clams. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. Of course, everything looks better wet, right? Oh my goodness. All dried off, and boy, the results are very different between the different types of shells. Let's start with the bad news first. Look at that. That's cleaner. This is the original that I kept aside. So that's definitely an improvement. Beautiful abalone. Look at the other side. It's almost basically the same. A little bit less green, but you can see that it's peeling. Look at that. Ew. Here, let's get a better example. This one. See? This stuff's still on there. I can pick it off. So I had probably too much cushion. I'm gonna put these actually in stage 1. I really would like to keep them whole. Now, the good news. The clams, look at them. How cool. Got that ugly yellow off of there. I mean, that's cool. I like the lines and everything, but look, can you see? It's, here's a better one. You can see the difference. Pretty neat. I like that black. Does this one have it? Yes, it does. So I think these are ready to move on to the next stage, which is the pre-polish. Both of them have been running for about a week and a half. Stage 1 for this one, as you can see. Oh my gosh, did I run that for a week and a half without the washer? I'm such a dork. Well, they're still in one piece. Good slurry. Okay, well those are beautiful. Not sure we're gonna ever get these off though. This outer part. Interesting. Haha. Okay, nothing stuck. Good. Let's take them in, dry them off, and see if they're ready to move to stage 4 or what we're going to decide. Okay, because the shells didn't move around very much in there because they're so big, I really had to scrub the living heck out of this barrel. There was a lot of grit stuck in there, so didn't move around as much, which makes sense why we've got some of this removed. The outer, yeah, this is, Now you know what I might have to do is break these up and do them again. Maybe then they'll get enough friction on each other and get that outer shell off. Or that's not even a shell. I don't even know what that is. Phooey! Yep, I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to break these up. But gosh, they're so beautiful. But they would probably look pretty cool broken up pieces of abalone shell. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I have to think about this. Okay, bye. We got these all dried off, and you might not notice at first, but I've got the one from before. This one is not tumbled at all. All of these have been through stage 3. So look at how smooth they are. Look at that. I think they're ready for the polish stage. Oh my gosh, I really like it. They're smooth. Some of them have, you know, little lines in them and stuff, but I'm okay with that because I'm never looking for absolute perfection when I'm tumbling. I like character in them. So before, after stage 3, ready for polish. Woohoo! We have these. And can you tell which one is before? Hey, if you guessed that one, you're right. This is the one that hasn't been tumbled yet. It has more green on it. And as you can see on the inside, it's not as shiny. This one has, you know, the scum layer is gone, but you know what? This one actually has more color. So anyway, I'm really disappointed with these. As I mentioned before, we've got this yucky layer. Focus. There you go. Can you see that? Hang on. Look, it's like wants to come off. There it goes. So you see that? It came off. I think I have no choice but to break these up, start over stage 1, and see how they do. Oh well, it is what it is. This is an experiment after all. Well, it goes without saying that I have never broken up seashells. So, but to keep with the theme here, I'm going to use my rock hammer. I'm going to cover it up with this towel so I don't really need eye protection. Here goes nothing. Don't fail me now. Okay, yes, Mom. Oh, smash, smash. Oh, I'm hearing it. Oh, I'm sorry, seashells. I have no choice. Where are you? There you are. Oh, I hope I'm not breaking them up too much. Okay, let's look. Oh, oh. I think I trashed some of them. Shoot. Okay, let's do this. Let's take the big ones here. Break them down just a little bit more. Oh, this experiment. Oh, geez. That one would be interesting. Just leave it like it is. Oops, there's another one. Okay, let's do this. Just right here. Just right there. Just really light. Okay. I hope I didn't break it. Oh, okay. Oh, what do you think? Should I leave some big? Oh, I'm scared. I don't know. What am I mess this up? That's probably going to be a total fail. Oh. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that. We're going to tumble these like this. So let's take it inside. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm doing this. There we go. There's our seashells. Oh my gosh. Okay, think positive. This might turn out cool. You never know. Let's load them up. Oh my gosh. Ouch. Ouch. It's almost like glass. I'm gonna have to add some ceramic media or something. I don't know. Oh my goodness. What am I thinking? Oh my goodness. There's hardly anything left. Wow. As always with tumbling, you want it at 2/3 full. I've got it maybe 1/3 full. Yeah, something like that. A little bit more. So I'm going to stick this big ceramic media that I have in here. Fill it up 2/3. Wow. There's going to be any shells left. It'll help cushion though. Think positive. Think positive. Ooga booga booga. There. I gave it positive energy. And we're going to do 3. No, we're going to stick with 1. What? I don't know. These are shells. Let's do 2 scoops. What the heck? I don't want to do 3 because I feel like they're just going to disintegrate and there's not going to be anything left. Okay, just go for it. Fill up the water just below the top. Woo! Time for the polish stage for these wonderful shells. I'm wishing you guys much luck. Get all shiny, please. Oh my god. Forgot to add water. I'm such a dork. I cannot believe I did that. I'm so glad I caught it. Oh well, keeping it real. Here we go.
Tumble on!
Oh, okay. They still have some shine to them. This one, I knew that before I even polished it, that it was going to be like that. Before, look at that, and after. Wow, that is quite a difference. Okay, so you can see inside, no shine, right? Okay, a little bit right there in the corner. That's shiny. You can see that. See that? I think I'm going to call these good because I'm afraid they're going to break. So there's my polished seashells. I'm really nervous about this one since I broke them up in tiny pieces. I'm wondering what's left. Okay. Oh, good. So stage 1 didn't chew them all up. Ooh. Look at the abalone colors. Oh my gosh. You see that? Oh, I hit this. What? Holy mac. Oh my gosh, this isn't what I was expecting. Those are... Oh my gosh. I know I sound like a 5-year-old. I don't care. Oh my gosh. Look. Look. Oh, I'm so glad I broke them now. I had no idea. I thought these were just going to be garbage. Okay, that's rough, but oh my gosh. Look at it, guys. Oh my god, what do you think? Holy, oh my gosh. Even the tiny one. Okay, so the cushion did help. Wow. Okay, let's dry these off. I'm so excited. I thought this was going to be a complete failure. I cannot believe this. I'm absolutely blown away. I had never expected them. Look, this is the original. Before I broke it too, obviously. Look, okay. Look at that. Oh, here, okay, let's dry it off. Oh my gosh. Wow. And the edges are smoothed. And look at that abalone type iridescence. That's what I'm calling it. Oh my gosh. I mean, if you get it wet, this one, see, it's still got that kind of that scummy layer on it, but look. Oh my gosh. This is only stage 1. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm definitely not going to do stage 1 again because as you can see, all of these would probably maybe turn into that, but I did have these already small. So I'm going to move these to stage 2. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, there we go. Yep, stage 1's done. We're going to move to stage 2. Woo! Yeah! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I sorted out the ceramic media and we've got them all right here. They're pretty much dried off, damp. And look at these. You see that? It's so smooth and those colors. Wow. Okay, here's the original again. Not much of the green left, but that's okay. There's still some there. Yeah, so it removed a lot of the green layer. There's that scum again, whatever you want to call it. And look. Oh my gosh. Okay, stage 3. Let's go. Woo! Let's load it up. Let's see what we got here. Oh, interesting. Look at that. Do you see that? You can see my finger through it. It turned somewhat transparent, semi-transparent. Oh my gosh, these are getting fragile. Wow, but boy, they're beautiful. Here, let's hold okay, so they still got some of the thicker ones have more of that abalone colors. Wow, that's gorgeous. Look, and it's not even polished. Here, Let's dry it off. I'll show you. Make sure I don't have any more stuck to me. See? Look at that. It's not even polished. This is just pre-polish. Amazing. This one too. Yep. Look at that. So here's one that's semi-transparent. Let's look at the difference. Let's see if I can do this.
Oh, look. Wow, that would make interesting arts and crafts.
Have semi-transparent ones. I have no idea what you do with this stuff, but just put it in a bowl and run your fingers through it. Wow. Neat, 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 neat. Okay, so you know what? I think that these little scraps of shells, still beautiful, are ready for the polish stage. I thought I'd spare you watching me dry these off, and I also separated them. So here's all the little flicks of the seashells. See? Polished. Look! Oh my goodness! They turned out great! Put them in a little jar, run your fingers through them, use them for arts and crafts. You just never know. Here's the bigger pieces, and as you can see, they have the iridescent colors all over them, and the shine on the top of the shell, and it's still got the green. Oh my goodness! Oh, here's a good example. Look! Wow, turned out way better than I thought they would. I mean, look at this. This is the original. This is what it was like. And it's got, this part was really hard to get off, as I mentioned earlier. So that part chips off, but it still stayed on enough, and it's even shinier than it originally was. So, and of course the inside, much, much better. Holy cow, beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. These turned out really, really well. Okay, now we've got the clams. Look at the clams. Huge difference as well. Shiny, but this is even shinier. Look at that. Oh my goodness, got rid of this yellow stain on there, which is still beautiful. It's got some ridges on here, not so much here. So yeah, these all turned out beautiful. Who says you can't polish seashells in a rock tumbler? You can, and bring them to a beautiful polish actually. So there they are. They're all done. What should I do with them? What do you think? Tell me in the comments. Shell on, tumble on. Woo!